Struggling to manage your diabetes while maintaining a tasty and healthy diet? What if I told you that meal prep can make your life 10 times easier and help you keep your blood sugar in check? So stay with me till the end, because today I'm sharing 5 easy meal prep ideas for diabetics that are quick, nutritious, and super delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Prime Wellness. I create science-backed, easy-to-follow, health and wellness content to help you live your best life. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a video.
5 easy meal prep ideas for diabetics. 1. Overnight chia pudding. Starting your day with a blood sugar-friendly breakfast is key. Overnight chia pudding is packed with fiber, omega-3s, and protein to keep your sugar levels stable. Just mix chia seeds with almond milk, a little cinnamon, and let it sit overnight. Add some nuts and berries in the morning. 2 high-protein veggie salad jars. Salads don't have to be boring. Prep some mason jar salads with high-fiber veggies like spinach, cucumber, and bell peppers. Add boiled eggs, tofu, or grilled chicken for protein, and use a light olive oil dressing. Keeps you full for hours. 3 low-carb dal and quinoa meal box. Forget white rice. Instead, try quinoa with dal. It's high in protein and keeps blood sugar levels steady. Prep a big batch and store it for quick meals throughout the week. 4. Grilled fish and roasted vegetables. Fish like salmon or mackerel is rich in omega-3, which helps insulin sensitivity. Pair it with roasted veggies like zucchini, broccoli, or carrots for a super healthy and tasty meal prep idea. 5 nuts and yogurt snack packs. Need a quick snack? Prep small containers with Greek yogurt and unsalted nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds. A protein-packed, low GI snack that keeps sugar spikes away.
And there you have it. 5 easy, healthy, and delicious meal prep ideas for diabetics. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more health-focused content every week. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy.